Alright, today we're going to do a real quick assembly video for you here for your uprooter tools. This also applies to weed wrench tools as well. Same concept. And so let me just show you real quick what we're doing. What we have is two set of pliers. For the larger tools, the weed wrench and the uprooter, you probably only need one set of pliers, but we have them both here just in case. Then we have our short clevis pin and our long clevis pin, and then of course the two cotter pins that will hold those in place. When you get your tool all unwrapped, it'll be closed up like this. It does have a ball and detent mechanism which adds tension to this, and it holds it in the open position when you're using the tool. So you're going to want to lever it forward, and it may have some tension on it, but if you have difficulty, don't worry, that's normal. It should be that way. It'll be much easier when you have the lever on the tool. So we're going to lever it forward, and then I'll grab my handle up. At this point I would grease, put a light layer of grease here on the insides of these cheek plates, around the outside three edges here, and then on the back side of my connecting bar there, additionally with a light layer on these pins. So first up I'll grab my short clevis pin, and I will put my cheek plates over the top of this base of the tool and set this clevis pin through the hole there, and then I'm just going to align it and wiggle these around until my holes align and I get it through both sides. Now we're all the way through. Next up I'll grab my long clevis pin, stick it through this connecting bar portion here, and then I'll just move my handle forward until these angles align to get my holes up and through. Very good. Now I've got these through, I can attach my cotter pins to lock everything into place, and I'll show you the way that I do the cotter pins with one set of pliers for these larger tools. What we do is we align the pardon me, the cotter pins so that they are perpendicular to the lever, and then we have our long leg sticking out toward us here. So we're just going to hold this pin in place, grab that long leg and pull it out away from the tool, and to get that 90-degree angle. Once we have that 90-degree angle, we're good. We can just spin it around and that pin is ready to go. I'll do my next one here so you can see it again. So I will set this so that this loop is facing outward so I can see it. I'm just going to rotate this around so I can reach this leg with my pliers, and then I'll grab the long leg and again just pull away from the tool into a 90-degree angle. Now I've got my pin secured. They're ready to go. This tool is ready for use.